Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a quick video on highlight and contour. Obviously you always start off with your primer, and I'm going to be using some stuff that is in this month's Kudos. It is $99 for October only. You get your choice of primer, which right here I have my hydrating primer. This is perfect for dry skin, which I have. And you get your choice of concealer, your choice of any foundation, whether it be the powder, the cream, the liquid, the spray, anything, your choice. And then you have your choice of setting powder or the setting spray, which is this stuff. So I'm going to show you a little something something, and we'll start it off with this. So today I'm actually going to use liquid foundation just to mix it up a little bit. I really love my spray foundation, but I like my liquid foundation too. So this is the Mineral Touch. It's a little daubler right here. Just a few dots on that little guy here. So blend it in really well. It really helps when you do use primer. I used to not use primer before I put makeup on, and I would just always see my makeup smearing easily and not really sticking. So primer, I call it the hairspray for the face. I mean, that's the setting powder and stuff too, but it will help like smooth out all the uneven lines and stuff that you, when you're applying all your makeup here. Okay. My stomach is growling. So hungry. I'm just gonna grab some coffee really quick. Okay. Now I got that on. Now some people like to do the highlight first and then the contour, but I actually like to do contour first and then the highlight. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the Unique Touch Stick Foundation, and I got this in a darker shade so I can do my contour. A lot of people like to do a figure 3 around their face for their contour. I do that every once in a while, but I'm actually going to show it to you guys today. So let's see. Like that. Okay. Not all the way down. I usually go about halfway my cheek and then down. Okay. Like that. And down. Fancy. I'm going to just do it along the side of my nose here. Just a little bit. And at the tip of my nose. Okay, you see that? All right. Get one of your blending brushes. I'm using my old liquid foundation brush for this because my Kabuki brush helps me with my foundation. So just blend it in, and it is going to look a little bit cray-cray when everything is blended in, but that's why we have the highlight and everything else that we put on top, right? So, okay, so there's that. I know, it's weird looking, but have no fear. Concealer's here, and we're going to use that to highlight. So I'm just gonna grab something that I like to use down my nose, which is just kind of like a little bit of a brush, or you can use your blending buds. I'm gonna use this guy right here. And you kind of want to do like a triangle, kind of like that, right? Down the nose, right here, and right there too. You are just going to blend this in all the way down. I like to make my highlight go out and up. Kind of outside my eye and around the edge right there. Okay. And then I'll blend it in down here. When I take my little brush here just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. Still a little bit crazy, but that's okay, because we're not done yet. So the next thing that I like to do is, before I blend it all the way in, is I will be using my bronzer, and I'm going to kind of go over my cheekbone with that. And I will be coming back and using this as well too. Down my nose a little bit. Okay. Now I go back with my kabuki brush and I just blend all that stuff together. Nothing on it. Just use the leftovers from what you applied earlier. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm actually going to use the creamed powder illuminizer. I use this on my cheekbones right here, just to give it a little bit of a shine, and then a little bit above my eyebrow right there, and on the tip of my nose. Right there, right there. Dab it in. Now you can go as light as you want for your highlight. I don't go too light. I don't want it to be like true dramatic. So, Concealer is really good. You could also go with your spray foundation, a lighter spray. This is Taffeta, so this is a little bit darker, but you can always go like Scarlet or something for underneath your eyes if you have the same color as me. And I can easily color match you as well. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over with the translucent powder. So there's setting powder. Go underneath your eyes. Okay. I don't put this all over my face. Some people do, but I don't. Kind of just where you highlighted, right? All right. And that is pretty much it. If you want to go back over it with some bronzer, you're more than welcome to, and I'm going to do that right here. And I'm going to add a little bit of blush as well to the ends right up here. Ooh. All right, you guys, if you have any questions or you want me to do any specific videos for you, just let me know. This one was requested, so I'm more than happy to do that for you. If you need to be color matched, just send me a message, reach out to me. It is $99 for the sale right now. You can also get $450 worth of makeup and product for just $99 for getting the customer preferred kit. Okay, no social security required, no monthly fee that you have to pay. You would be joining underneath me. It is an amazing deal, and you get a lot of products for $99. So reach out to me if you have any questions, and we will talk later. Bye.